Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here from my YouTube channel and asked me to place order for them on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. As you can see right here, this particular order is from different store, and I decided to make a video about it and show you on how to order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app from different store without any stress and make payment at once. Let me show you how. The very first thing I'm going to do is to exit from my WhatsApp right here. I will go ahead and make sure I open my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app right here. Having opened up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here. So I have the products right here in my cart right here, and from here I will go ahead and select the product one after the other. I'll proceed to check out and make payment. Before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 168, Taoba, JD.com, Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select the first sticker right here. I'll go ahead and select the second one right here. So you can see they are from two different stores. You can see their profile picture right here, and I'll say I'm paying the sum of 392 yuan to purchase the sticker. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to check out. So here we go, as you can see right here. So here we go. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to payments. Allow the Alipay to connect. Lastly, I will go ahead and enter my payment password. Now payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on done right here. And I click on here to close this pump up. I'll go ahead and go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, you can see the products right here. So let's check it out. First one right here, and then the second one right here. And lastly, I will go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that has me to pay for them. On my WhatsApp right here, I will click on attachment, my gallery, select proof of payment, and say payments done. And send. It's that simple. Just like what you see right here, you can see the order screenshot, and then the first order here, and the second order right here, and the total amount to pay is that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo 1688, Taoba, or JD.com, or Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.